Extreme winter weather is on the horizon for the United Kingdom as temperatures are set to plummet, bringing with them the risk of snow showers and wintry hazards. The Met Office has issued warnings, forecasting disruptive snowfall in the upcoming week, which could result in challenging conditions across the nation. The Sky News reports that temperatures are expected to drop significantly, paving the way for an Arctic blast. With the potential for snowstorms and wintry hazards, residents are urged to prepare for adverse weather conditions that could impact daily life. According to the Met Office, disruptive snow is a distinct possibility in the coming week. The meteorological agency is closely monitoring the situation, emphasizing the need for caution and preparedness. As the nation braces for the worst snowstorm in 14 years, the implications on travel, infrastructure, and daily activities cannot be overlooked. Cold and dry conditions, a precursor to snowfall. The Met Office further reveals that cold and dry conditions will precede the anticipated snowfall. These conditions create a favorable environment for snow accumulation, potentially leading to disruptions in transportation, school closures, and challenges for vulnerable populations. UK weather history repeating, worst snowstorm in 14 years. LBC News underscores the severity of the situation, drawing parallels to the last significant snowstorm experienced by the UK 14 years ago. The looming Arctic blast brings a sense of urgency to preparations, reminding citizens of the importance of readiness in the face of extreme weather events. Another Sky News video echoes the Met Office's warning, emphasizing the potential hazards associated with the impending Arctic blast. Snow and wintry conditions are expected to pose challenges for communities, businesses, and emergency services, necessitating proactive measures. Government and emergency services preparedness. In response to the anticipated extreme weather conditions, the UK government and emergency services are gearing up for a coordinated response. Preemptive measures, such as salting roads, activating emergency shelters, and disseminating weather advisories, are being put in place to mitigate the impact of the impending snowstorm.